Most people get this wrong. They pick hotel credit cards based only on bonuses, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring how often you actually stay in those hotel chains. In this video, we are ranking the best hotel credit cards in 2026, so you can choose the one that actually fits your travel style. Let's get straight into it. First, why hotel credit cards matter. These cards are designed to turn your everyday spending into free hotel nights, upgrades, and travel perks. But not all hotel cards are equal, and choosing the wrong one can lock you into a program you barely use. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best hotel card for you depends on three things: where you stay, how often you travel, and how simple you want rewards to be. Let's start with number 1. Premium hotel cards like the Hilton, Honors Aspire or Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant. These are high-end cards with big perks like free night certificates, elite status and strong point multipliers. For someone like Alex who travels often for business or luxury stays, these cards can easily pay for themselves with 1 or 2 hotel nights. But here's the problem. They come with high annual fees, so if you're not traveling often, you may lose money instead of gaining value. Now, number 2. Mid-tier hotel cards like Wyndham Earner, Plus or Hyatt Focused cards. These are balanced options. They give good rewards on hotel stays and everyday spending without extremely high fees. For someone like Jake who travels a few times a year but not constantly, this category often gives the best value. In a minute, I'll explain why this middle tier is often the smartest choice for most people. Now number 3. IURL. No annual fee hotel cards. These are entry-level cards that let you earn hotel points without paying yearly fees. They are simple and low risk, but rewards are usually slower. For beginners or occasional travelers, this is a safe starting point. But here's the trade-off. You get flexibility, but you sacrifice big perks like free nights or elite upgrades. Now let's talk about how to actually rank these cards in real life. The best hotel credit card is not the one with the biggest bonus. It is the one that matches your travel habits. If you stay in one hotel chain often, go for that brand's card. If you travel randomly, a flexible travel rewards card may be better. So what is the final ranking logic in 2026? Premium cards are best for frequent travelers. Mid-tier cards are best for most people. No annual fee cards are best for beginners. Let's summarize everything clearly. The best hotel credit cards in 2026 depend entirely on your travel habits, not just rewards. Premium cards give the most value, mid-tier cards give the best balance, and no-fee cards give the safest entry point. If this helped you understand the best hotel credit cards in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple travel and credit breakdowns like this.